Hey guys, I'm Sam Cambetis, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I customize my Windows desktop to look like this. So the first thing we want to do before making any changes to our computer is create a restore point. So go to the search and then write create a restore point, and the system properties will appear. Click create and you can give it a name. So we just do before customization, then click create. So now this will create a backup, so if we have any issues later we can roll back to this restore point and it will be like nothing ever happened. So next we want to go to the desktop and hide these icons. We right click, go view and click show desktop icons, and that'll untick it to hide them. Now we're going to customize our taskbar down the bottom, so we want to go to the Microsoft Store and search for an app called WIDGETS, and then we'll click install. Now click open. I'll just minimize this page and we'll click OK on the welcome. And here we have WIDGETS. So in here we can customize our taskbar. So for the margin, I like to have mine on 0, and the corner radius, which is like the curving of the corners, I like mine about 18. Then we'll go advanced, click dynamic mode and show system tray on hover. Then we want to select translucent TB compatibility because that's the next app we're going to install. Fill taskbar when maximized, and fill taskbar on Alt tab. Then click apply. So now you can see that the taskbar is nice and centered in the middle with no background on the side. If your taskbar doesn't look like mine and you still have the grey on the side, this is just a known glitch. So to fix this, you just want to go to settings and then personalization, and scroll down to taskbar and then down to taskbar behaviors. And then if you just go taskbar alignment and go left and then back to center, this will fix the little glitch. So the next app we want to install is called Translucent TB. We can also get this one from the Microsoft Store. So we'll just write Translucent TB in the search, click on it, and then we'll go install. Now we can open, and then we want to click continue, close this window. And now you can see that the taskbar has gone transparent, but we can customize this further. So if we hover down to the right hand corner and click on TB, we want to make sure open at boot is selected, and then go up to desktop, and here is where you can change the type of transparency. So I'll click on acrylic, and that sort of gives it like a blurred look, which looks pretty nice. Next we're going to pick a wallpaper. This one is from Unsplash. I'll link it down in the description below. We just want to click download, then go to our file explorer and go to the downloads folder, and this is where it should be saved. And if we right click and set as desktop, then minimize the window, and we can see our nice background. So the last thing we're going to do is add widgets to the desktop. So we'll need to download Rainmeter to do that. There'll be a link in the description to this page. Then we'll just go through the Rainmeter install, click next and install. Okay, and finish. The last page we'll go to is GitHub, and this is where we're going to be downloading the Monterey Rainmeter widgets. So we'll just come down to the side of the page here and click releases, and then scroll down and click on Monterey 1.00. Then once that's downloaded, go to your downloads folder and right click and open. You can see that little green raindrop. That means it's going to be opening with Rainmeter, and we'll leave everything ticked and go install. Okay, we'll just close down all these screens, and we just want to close down the default Rainmeter skins, which are these grey ones. So right click, unload skin on all of them. Okay, and then this is the Monterey Rainmeter widgets app that we're going to be using. We'll click on widgets. The first widget I want is the clock, so we'll toggle that one on and we'll go continue. And to change the look of it, we can right click on it and go wide. We'll place that there, and then we want the calendar, we'll drag that over, and we want reminders, drag that over. The last one I want is music. We'll click continue and drag drag that and right click and go wide. The last thing I'll show you quickly is how to change the appearance of the widgets. You can go over to the appearance in the menu, and then you can look through all the different themes that they have available. So auto, dark, and light, but for this one I'm going to go blur. So we can close down this app now, and I'm just going to adjust these widgets to center them a little bit more. And then I think I might change the taskbar to be completely transparent. So I'll just come down here and go to desktop, and I'm going to go clear. I think that just looks a bit more cleaner. Okay, so that's it for this video. All the links will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.